As we continue to watch COVID-19 spread here in Tennessee, Davidson County is one step closer to renewing an indoor mask mandate. Tonight, the Metro Council voted to move forward with that legislation, with a final vote expected in the coming weeks. This after the Metro Health Department declined to implement a mask mandate.
I think we continue to see that we are trending in the wrong direction. I understand that there are concerns about overreach in terms of our Department of Health, but I think it's clear that our Department of Health is currently focused on politics and not public safety.
Public safety at the forefront of a discussion before the Metro Council tonight. A weeks-long debate over a mask mandate in Davidson County continues, this time with more support.
Is what's called the positivity rate. And right now our positivity rate hovers at 14 to 15%. That's twice the national average, twice.
But even as council members cited the staggering rise in cases, on September 16th, the Metro Health Department said no to a request to implement a mask mandate. Public Health Director Dr. Gil Wright cited CDC recommendations which do not currently include mandates.
The CDC is very clearly telling us that if you're in an area of high transmission, throw a mask on your face.
That's Metro Councilwoman Joy Stiles. She says it's not enough to just recommend mask wearing as cases in Nashville continue to rise.
We've gone up 5.1%. We went from 118,920 cases to 124,991. Our deaths are up 3.8%, and the number of confirmed cases since 9/7 is up 5%.
That's why Stiles and other council members are taking matters into their own hands, filing their own resolution for the mandate.
We are the worst state in the nation, and that cannot be on us. So I would encourage you to vote for this mask mandate.
But not everyone is on board.
Let's let people be responsible. People are responsible. And I think everyone does understand that there's seriousness about this illness, this disease. We know it can spread very easily. But to do a mask mandate by the city council, man, that is beyond government overreach.
Now, the bill requires one more reading before the council before a final vote. The earliest that could happen is October.